Good morning, insiders. I've put together a list of homes for sale with assumable loans. So today's interest rates for conventional loan is 6.58%. For an FHA, it's 6.15, and for a VA is 6.15. So let's say, for example, for my list here in West Las Vegas, there is a home for sale, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with an asking price of $404,000. The loan is assumable. The existing loan is assumable, and the balance is $364,000 at 5.13%. So your monthly payment would be approximately $2,700 with a down payment of $40,000. Now, if you only have, let's say, 5% down, you can take a gap loan. So you will have two loans. You will assume the loan with a 5.13% and then a gap loan of about $20,000. The blended rate would become, for the two loans, approximately 5.4%, which still beats current mortgage rates. So that's one way, is assuming a loan. Over here in Green Valley, the existing assumable loan is $304,000 at 4.99%. Down payment $31,000. And again, if you only have 5% down, you can take a gap loan for $14,250. Now your blended rate between the two loans would become approximately 5.2%. And lastly, over here, let's pick Summerlin. Summerlin, it's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath property with a 3.69% assumable loan. Monthly payment would be $2,500 if you put down $113,000. Now you can take a gap loan. Your monthly payment would be approximately $3,300 at 4.91%. Okay, mind you, you still have to qualify. This is all subject to your lender's approval. Feel free to call or text with any questions, 702-483-8247. Have a nice day.